Welcome to the Indoor Boys YouTube channel. On this episode I've got my hands on this legendary car and of course I'm gonna take it camping. This is a 2006 Dodge Viper SRT10, also known as one of the most dangerous cars ever made. And let me tell you why. You see, this car comes from a time where Dodge had zero regulations and zero concerns for your safety. Under the hood is a massive 8.3 liter V10 engine. 8.3 liter. For what? Which produces about 500 horsepower. Well, not too bad, right? All this power goes straight into the back wheels with no traction control and driver assists. Who needs that anyway, right? Equipped with a 6-speed manual gearbox, the Viper goes from 0 to 100 in about 4 seconds. There is also a legend that 30% of all the Vipers that drove out of the showroom never made it home and crashed on their way. There are even many signs saying that death or serious injury can occur. For example, this part right here gets really hot because of the exhaust pipe on both sides, and there is a sign saying that serious injury can occur because of the hot exhaust pipes below. Okay, yes, even inside you can feel the heat. Then there's a sign saying death or serious injury can occur. The back seat is the safest place for children. Yeah. Then there is a sign saying that the top support is not a roll bar. So if you crash, and you're likely to, you will be pancaked. But don't get me wrong, this is why we like it. It's the pure emotion, the fear when you drive this thing, knowing that it's not gonna forgive you if you do even a little small mistake. The sound, it's you know? So big thanks to Suve.ee for providing me and trusting me with this beast on today's trip. And maybe this Viper will be up for sale on their website, so keep an eye on them. So today's plan is to meet up with my friends, go camp next to a lake, go fishing, cook some good food, show them the Viper. Okay, hello. This is my friends. Alex.
Hi.
Andreas.
Big Soberg.
Yes.
Hello guys!
Hello guys, welcome to YouTube channel Indoor Boys. Anyway, we go fishing with Viper and there's a problem. We are all hungry and we don't have much time, so we gotta do both things at the same time. So cook and fish at the same time on the boat.
You got the beginning me.
No.
This was not in the plan.
I have the brightest idea, so yes, we're gonna try to.
You mean to cook on the boat?
Oh, friends. What the hell?
Come! Jump! Jump! Nike force! Nike force in the forest, no, come on. Little tiny boat with 3 men inside. Fishing 101. How to fish, not like pro, but like an amateur. You buy your worms. You pick your favorite. This one is John. Like you see that John wants to come outside already, so you know this is the badass that catches the fish. John, are you ready to catch some fish? Yes, I'm ready.
Alright, seems like a rather sketchy operation, but we're gonna do it anyway. So, the plan is to make hamburgers.
What have you done with those?
Oh. Okay, so we make some meatballs. Smash burger coming. So, like
How do you smash
you
it?
need to smash it straight away. Oh,
Yes, you need to
okay,
smash
smash
it.
burger.
Yeah, it looks good.
Ta-da!
What are you doing?
Chill.
Oil is fucking splashing on my hands. Ah! Some pepper in there. Get it going, yes.
Pass me the
You have to flip it.
Oh, what the hell? Oh. Let's go. You have to hold it so it doesn't fall off. Hold it, don't let it go. Okay, it's starting to rain quite heavily, but I don't have any other clothes as well, so okay, whatever. I want to eat right now.
Alright. Cheese smells good.
I have my own personal cutting board. Indoor boys.
You bring
So we have rucola.
rocket?
What are these called in England?
Rocket.
No?
Yeah.
Rucola?
Yeah.
No?
Rocket. It is.
Rocket my ass. No play.
Maybe just
Rocket.
vegetable. Green leaves.
It's not a rocket.
Oh! So a little bit beat up ones. And put rockets.
Rockets. Yes. Meat.
Time to add our meat. Broken meat. And practically looks questionable, but let's see.
Why do you have to be so sloppy with it?
First taste. What is it? Boat hamburger. This actually slaps, like, what the hell? This tastes so good. I mean, the meat has come out perfect. The sauce is good. And the rockets are also tasty. What was that expression?
No, I had like a little like rock or something.
Oh. Oh no, put the worm away.
I mean, it's good. The truffle comes through. The beef is nice, but the sand wasn't like the best part.
Yes, this is the good wet bun experience.
Nice one, eh?
No, it's really good. The truffle mayo.
It's really good.
The truffle mayo makes it, yeah, really nice. Good.
Another one.
So, what?
They salted.
Oh, fish! Fish! Small fish, but
Birds!
fish burger.
Oh, put some pepper there!
Oh!
Straight into bag, yes! Next to here. Woo! Making burgers on a boat!
What the hell? Straight up fire! Oh, I need rocket.
Yes, rocket. You are laughing right now, but
I
you'll
don't
go.
believe it's rocket. No, no, it's not possible.
You'll-
It's not rocket.
You'll,
It's safer to say just green leaves.
you'll go home and you'll find out it's called rocket.
Okay.
Oh! Another one!
This is very small.
Oh, this is too small.
Thank you, no. Put the burger down.
Oh!
No, where go?
Fish!
Let's go, fish.
Fish, you go back.
Swim away.
It's getting cold. What the hell? At least I'm not alone in this.
Abort the mission.
It's getting really wet and cold. I didn't believe the weather forecast. Like, it usually lies. But not today.
We got fish. Big. This is dinner for today.
So what are you saying, Fred?
So I took my jacket out of the trunk. I didn't unlock the doors, I only unlocked the trunk. And I think I put my keys into the trunk. And now I cannot unlock the car or the trunk.
So you're saying that all the doors are closed
Yes.
and we can't get in.
No.
Always, everything go wrong with this guy.
Not possible.
But problem is big, yes.
Okay, life update. Basically, we called our friends to bring us the spare keys to the Viper so we can get into the car. So this problem is somewhat fixed. They still have an hour to drive here. So since we don't have nothing else to do, we're gonna chop up some food.
Chop up some food.
Food. Basically, we think that this is gonna be our home for tonight. We're gonna sleep in here. Opa.
Thankfully we found this shed
Yes.
that had dry firewood. Wood.
Food. Thankfully, I have a lighter, so should be able to make a fire.
A little bit growing.
Fire is being made. Markus brought us the spare keys, so
Legend.
hopefully we can now. Let's see.
No.
Yes, working.
Big.
Let's see where I put my other keys.
This, no?
Oh, they're here in a food bag.
Opa.
How
Amazing.
How can you be like so dumb like me?
We have to make some dinner. Let's do it.
Make food.
So the last time I tried shrimp pasta, I failed miserably. So Alex told me, well, I'm gonna show you how to make a proper shrimp pasta, and now we're gonna make it from scratch. We planned to do it like in the daylight, like fun, chill, but now we just in the middle of the night we're gonna start making fresh pasta.
We just realized we don't have the store-bought pasta, so...
Anyway, let's get cracking.
The rule of thumb is for one person 100 grams of flour, and this I typically measure by hand, like a big handful is like 100. To make a hole.
Just lift it back here. So, a little bit olive oil.
Yes, drizzle that in and mix it up. Simple as that. One egg yolk for the color, you know, to get that extra yellowy dough. Now you dig in with your hands. When the dough seems dry, then put just a little bit of water, like a little sip in there. And when it sticks to your hand, it's too wet, then just add sunflower. So you know that the dough is ready when you push your finger and it slowly rises back up. Let's see how the dough has come out. Looks fantastic. So basically we have to get it as thin as possible. Roll it together like a cinnamon roll. If you cut it like that, you'll get linguine, and if you cut it more wide, then you get pappardelle, which is good for the
Pasta bolognese.
pasta is quite thick, but I don't care actually.
Oh, this is really good.
So now we make the sauce. We heat up white dry wine. This has never happened to me before, but of course when Freddy touches something, the flames go up. So now 1/3 of the wine has evaporated, so you have to use cold butter, as cold as possible, but we don't have the cold one, so we hope that it comes out fine. Perfect scenario would be to add a pinch of sugar or honey in there to balance it up with the sweetness, but we don't have any. So, and now final touch, we put the flame down, just a bit of freshness. Nice. The time is 12:30 and the pasta water is boiling. Finally. So it goes inside, some onion on the pan. So now the shrimp goes in. Add the garlic now. Goes in.
Put the sauce in, yeah?
Yeah. Now we can do it here as well.
Okay, I'll
Whoopadi-doopa.
parsley in and mix it up real good. Smells amazing. Bon appetit.
Bon appetit.
Yes, sir. That's good. It's tasty. It really is.
Delicious.
Amazing. But now, wow, I'm so tired. So, this is the only place we can stay dry, the shed. And we're gonna try and fit 3 hammocks inside this small shed. It's promising. I feel like I could spend the night here. Oh, yes. I think it's doable. Oh, yes.
Greetings.
Hello and welcome to our crib. Triple decker hammock. We set them up for like almost 2 hours. Like so much doing and undoing and then doing again and then undoing. And anyway, let's get to our hammocks, eat some cookies.
We have some cookies.
It's like 3 a.m. and we finally get a chance to sleep, so we'll hit the sack and see you in the morning, yes?
It's still raining.
And it's still raining. It's a good thing we don't sleep outside. Goodbye. Okay, maybe Dodge Viper isn't the most practical camping car you see. No, you don't.
No vision.
Alright, so we escaped the rain, came to the seaside to make some breakfast. It's like 1 p.m. so good time for breakfast. But yeah, it's beautiful in here. Sun is shining, chilling in here, and yeah. Quit, don't quit. No noodles, don't noodles. So, let's conclude it. Is Dodge Viper a good camping car? Well, so first of all, you really don't have much room in here. This is all you got. 2 seats, and the trunk is not really big, but you can fit a hammock, your sleeping bags, some food. So is it practical? Not really. Is it cool? Hell yeah. This car is a true masterpiece, but you have to approach it with respect and caution. And the boys are gonna chill here for a bit and then pack up and go back to our warm, sweet homes.
So now I'm gonna play you an outro song.